Menoka say MP for Asin Central. Your friend Kennedy Akompreko Agyapong. When you say Agyapong has made certain remarks about Afia Schwar Dismantles. Unim sir.
No pay na metiti who be your office hanum say.
And yesterday when you were talking, when Indra Kasano, you said something. Say can say. Exactly. Also, no, they know nipa na friend no. Afia Schwar Dismantles no.
Yeah, sure.
Na emumu bi na friend no, and that is where Ken too should be very careful. Does it mean obi afro no can sem echewa? Would it be so? Sana na no obi friend na or say a friend chema won't me or say a blogger be a friend or my. Meanwhile, it was what? It was not true. So give us details. What is Afia Schwar saying about this? So first of all, someone mu name himself no yesterday, okay? And King Japan and King Japan had an interview with City News, but almost streaming live and the two forces streaming and some was very simple. What they were saying was that Kennedy Japan na Afia Schwar King Japan kaso no Afia Schwar ye kaso didi celebrities atema enya no kra because Afia Schwar kra no name no na mum obi and a friend ka che ne say Afia Schwar didi na tem. Now the funny thing is, according to Ken, Osinipa proceeded to even give him King Japan an audio to that effect. Then yes Ken or sorry epe no ko no say audio no nipa na in some near cancer Ken if you ask why did Ken attempt, it was true. So no as to every action there's a reaction. That was exactly what really happened. Now all this same way too, John. If you ask you say if you ask on and off no, it will be supporting Ken, it will only Ken but this time around you see say if you ask in some more can it's a bit what is if you ask saying?
Nana yenu abe Afia Schwar Dismantles de onim se ontimi nka no na onfa ho di free debi Afia there she doesn't really do that. Asema wo kan nyina ne say wa hu video no said the yen na yen saka video ni bi na e share sa no no nso hu video ni bi a Kennedy Agyapong ekoye interview on show a edin face to face City TV so wone renowned journalist Usman Rusanda and interview ni ebusa ne say wadidi Afia Schwar Dismantles atem ne ade okokekan Afia say Kennedy Agyapong pa mom de wadi ne honya papa na ma ne nsasi fom ede ntina papa na ma ne nsasi fom a de all can you na say wonti ase wo bi a wako interview pa say wo kwa interview just to talk about your political ambition say the be ya we be ko wanim na eja primary say da wanim 26 August yara amanfo be hu mobo no mato aba ma wako tena ho stupid so low akọ down to her level to go and talk about her. We do ya anka this should be a question important and Ken was Kennedy Agyapong or responded to. The best thing Kennedy could have done was to ignore that question. Now so since he decided to stoop so low, go down to Afia Schwar Dismantles level. Now okokwa yisa asema etwam 19 ko be say 19 ko jokoko asema ente say etwam no. And now no Kennedy Agyapong obekọ no akọ pray for the political ambition na say akọ nanim na amanfo ehu no wasele ne policies ene niema akọ na okọ Afia Schwar Dismantles Afia say Kennedy Agyapong is his own enemy enti ene primaries 26 August na Kennedy Agyapong when we near they should blame Kennedy Agyapong because he brought that upon himself. Say obe stupid down, low. Obi a wenya platform ente say kotnase go and sell yourself, go and promote your political ambition. Now man for to sell your policies. Let people get to know what you have on board for Ghanaians. Wakwa ho no mo kan Afia Schwar Dismantles say na obi na bo wa maniena you had to stoop down to her level to make her know say den akwa kan wadwen dia che na Afia Schwar Dismantles so aba reply no ka che say wa man insist form we di ne hwamo is his own enemy.
But do you think sir, look at this for example na obi akujina baby for example wo de yedim say you hard working lady na obi a wa start to oba social media or so our be life on one page man ye or tenim or te Facebook na de be your life or buy ya also lady ya or open as TV me na dasa oh me ex girl oh me want naked pictures. What would you do?
Nana any de obeyi ano Afia Schwar Dismantles
no, this time around you are not just a you. In fact say we MD of TV3, would you talk about it?
No.
Obi abege life say wo ono wada saa na ono die no naked pictures cry na o
Now we release it.
You see what I'm trying to say
Nana,
is,
but if you say as after saying all that, Kennedy should have even said say or must settle issue da. The issue has been settled. As I carry they say and come once
a contest. We need to understand the context and Aken Ifiba. He was asked say any person or be attacking Ibiano. I've listened to the audio.
Also Obefa convoy no dia kwako ini pananwana.
No, what Ken Ibisane say? The whole thing was when a city TV presenter no Ibisane say Ken, you want to be president, but in this country, we've seen say you attack virtually any person. Any person who actually attacks or says something against you. And the presenter said in quotes, when I was coming to do this interview, I even went on Google
research
and typed Agyapong insult, and God, oh God, a lot of things came. I'm quoting him verbatim. And I can say, yes, because he speaks his mind, and if somebody says something and he feels it's not right, he counters. And I can say, that was then. Now he's grown. That is why you feel like over this particular 1 or 2 years, Ubi obey Bibian, Ubi obekan who semboni bian on reply. But justifying his previous action, he says no, he is not tamed by it. Because who can't semne behano. Asema okan ufi say okan. But have you regarded his business? Let me give you an example. You from a baby Ibrahim Mahama. Ibrahim Mahama called me, okay? On my nua bema ne personal assistant. So meet my case no frame. Or frame no. And also na publish a story say makwaji ska akwaye me companies no Mahama and me genie sika ni ade nam de. And I'm say, oh yes, we said it. Oh no, say okay, now listen to this. And some kind to S and yen and I'm say yes and yen but oko graphic ni Ghana web ni ade down. No say okay, if you took your source from them, then you have to know say that particular company no Ghana web and co no. We've actually spoke to them, and they are also saying some of them so because they have to come and prove in court. So they are issuing a retraction and apology. Also, what they are told, and you are sourcing them. If they are also taking it off, and in Nipa now sourcing it so and you know, you should know say good. And I was saying say, oh, why should not know the guy is a businessman. Obini ne contract. The person will go Ibrahim Mahama. Oku video saw a corrupter. Nobody wants to be entangled with things. There was this article, so I think it's one of our platforms here, choice said, on Hajia for real. Hajia for real ADT. On also, I'm afraid catchers. In fact, afraid, you know. Obizas, do you know this and this and this platform? So the platforms I knew, made the number and more, and I'm Yami person from so many few. And Ibrahim Mahama Eka said, Bev no mudina iwi, Hajia for Ruby Trim, and or Hageno. And on just say, on the BB. Fast forward, young funny said, on no one cash, Ibrahim Mahama Unzo, Hajia for in semi-one cash. Do you know the emotional or the business or the intellectual damage it will hit him? You better put media send a girl and a Hajia for Roa and then FBI Hajia for. Do you think, say, the girl, you cast a girl, I'm for Felicia and girl. Do you think people do business with a personal or a convict? You see, or your fraud, a would jail, do you think they will do business with him? That is what I'm trying to say. Ken is coming from that aspect.
I said, oh no, not some they say, it was just the question.
And yet, and Oka said some of the things, and you know, no, there are people who call him to tell him. So that is exactly what he's saying.
Well,
so
he has a point.
If Schwar said he's behaving childish because when he come be responded. I said over the course in time, Ken have said, if I now look like I can't cut on TV, so I can't say, I can't believe say Afia Schwar is even supporting me. Or if
yeah.
So why should you come and try to be like Massa? The guy might win the MPP flybaraship position, and it's so simple. If you can't beat them, I will say, oh yeah, then or join you or more. So I don't know why if Afia Schwar issue still now I say he's holding it dear near the it's so
well only then they make an say be an advice our day market